Hi guys, welcome back to Saanvi's Dream World, and today I'll be showing our nature in 8 and 10 Lisa Street. So here we have lots of trees in one park and lots of plants. We also have a lake there. We have many lakes in our society. We have lots of buildings too. We have chairs. We have paths to walking. There's our ducks there too in the lake. There's some places to stand and do fishing near there. And here you can have a party. And here you can feed the ducks here by standing here. We have lots of places near the pond and lake. We have lots of garbage cans. We also have people, obviously people come here for a walk with their puppies. We have lots of people. And here, I'll show you. Here we're going to across a pond. So here's a bridge. We're going to a place we're going to a place. It's a surprise. We have lots of stuff over there. We have parkings and we have buildings here now. We have paths to walking and we have a city center here. It's closed. One time I went there when I was off camera. There was nothing. And here's a path to have a track here. And we also have lots of squirrels. Here we have lots of plants. We have many. And we're going to a trail here. We're walking into here. I have my parents behind me. I never go alone here. There's 2 coyotes live here. And snakes. So please be careful. We have lots of spiky trees in nature. We have red leaves and yellow leaves. And green leaves, obviously. We have lots of dirt. We also have plants. Here we're walking through. And here we're here. And you can see lots of trees in that side. Big plants. We have plants bigger than a Christmas tree here. And we had chopped lots of trees down. Let's walk in. Ooh. And we're going in. I'm tired of walking and walking. When will this stop? I think we're almost finished. This is a great place. We have lots of ponds. Oh, there's a pond. There's some fishes in there and little rubbish. People are polluting the ponds too. We have a lot of buildings you can see up there. And let's walk. Oh, look, we have a floaty there. I don't know what it is actually. And we have lots to show. We can see the pond from there, the lake, and it's a great view. Now let's walk in here. Ooh, ponds. Looks great. Now let's walk here. You can do fishing in the ponds if you're Canadian. Canadians do eat fish. I don't eat fish. I'm Indian. You guys Should know that. We have lots of rocks. And the pond again. We have the pond again. And people are walking here. Hi. Now let's walk there. Get to the side. Oh, there's cute puppies. Yeah. The trees. And guys, we have finally reached the buildings, back to our places here. Look, we have rocks down there and plants in the rocks. Nice view, right? Oh, we also have so many ducks there. And logs. And let's head over there. There's so many places here. I'm tired of walking. Walking. Oh, here's the park place. And the trees over there. We're walking there too. Nice. We also have goose poo, geese poo, duck poo. I don't know which kind of poo that is, whose poo. And there are many blue chairs here and lots of plants. We have yellow plants. Now let's walk over here. Let's see what's here. I'll show you. And here we have, we're going there. So in there, we can go back to Lisa from that way. And also see the lake and pond from there. People feed ducks and geese there. It's nice to feed ducks and geese. Nice. Now let's go in here. Okay. And here's the great pets. There's so many mosquitoes here. And tables. You can have a great lunch here. They cutted trees down here. And here. Now, this is my building. I have come in my building here. This is 8 Lisa's side. Also 10 Lisa. 8 and 10 are combined. You can see here. Now we're going to my building. We have hills here, dining tables here too. And a trail here too. You can go trekking here too. You can find many coyotes here. One time I got told there's 2 coyotes here. I already told you this, right? Now let's head over there. We have a bridge there. We didn't cross it. And a simple way. You have to cross the bridge. It's so great. I just crossed the bridge. Oh my God. I wish I could cross the bridge. I'm just making the video. And here we have another place. Yeah, we can have a great barbecuing here. And we also have plants here. Barbecuing tables. A chair. And we also have lights, plants. We can have a breakfast here in the morning, go for a morning walk. And yeah, more things. There's also a place to trail. Many places to trail. And we also have a tennis court here. You can play football, basketball, and other things. We also have stairs here to the ground floor in our building. That's a 10 leagues away. And we also have an indoor swimming pool here. And an outdoor one. I'm going to show you there. We also have tables. We have sheds and people. There's the swimming pool. Well, let's go to the other place. Trees here. We have garbage bins and old chairs. Me and my family went over that side to play. And here. We also have another bridge here. Watch me pass it. We have a path here. And some old stairs. And let's walk through. We have a wall here and have a view. That's the view up here. Now let's get down. If I wasn't videoing, I would jump off that place. It's short. I wouldn't fall and get hurt. Let's pass the bridge again, my favorite part. And that's it, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.